Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Hello, hello, and welcome back to another live stream. Hello, Siren Cat. Hello, Illusions. So welcome in. How's it going, guys? And thank you for the 5-bit solutions. Getting started earlier, I see. I hope you guys are having a lovely Tuesday. Hello, hello. I hope you're having a lovely Tuesday. All going well. Starting a stream off with a slight bang. Hey, you know, it seems like a good way to start off. Where's good guts? There's good guts. Asking shall receive. Hello, good guts. Welcome in. Tuesdays are not lovely. I mean, I guess it depends. Hey, Mangaruki, welcome in. How are you doing today? Happy Tuesday, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Did I succeed today? Yes, so far, I am succeeding. So, started in the morning, and the secret thing is a 2-week-long thing. And so hopefully he'll succeed. Cool. All is cool. Good. Is it a habit you're breaking? Is it something you need to do all day? Yes. Basically, it is something I'm trying to break. It's a way of resetting things that I've done many times in the past, but just starting it is very hard. Typically, but once you start it, then it becomes easier. But yeah. Are you addicted to TikTok? No, I'm not addicted to TikTok. In fact, I don't even have the Actually, I used to have the TikTok app, but I think I was on the old phone. No, I don't even think I even have the TikTok app. Let me just confirm that. I do not have the TikTok app. Yep, do not have it. So, nope. Does it have tar in it? No, I do not smoke. I do not smoke and I do not drink. Just remember, if you want to do it, Pika's always watching you. Oh dear. Not Pika. Not Pika. 2-week-long edging. Look, it is not nearly as exciting as it to be edging. It's just, it is what it is. I'm basically using you guys as a way of motivating me. If that wasn't clear, by the way, just so we're clear, that's what's happening here. Okay, this isn't me edging you for some big news. This is just me using you as motivation. Okay, so let's just, so we're clear on this. Someone's gonna say that, you just didn't want to. I mean, I used you guys as motivation before to work on my game, and I'm using you otherwise. You've used me to motivate yourself too. Well, there you go. So it's all fair, right? You know, all is fair. We get used to each other. It's okay. Totally fine. Do you use me a white noise? I mean, that's fine. Do we all use each other? We do. And now we will continue using each other in a sense. Okay, well, that's actually completely inaccurate. Or not using each other in this regards. We're going to continue working on our stuff. What are the plans today? To actually get the meta items and stuff to work. Not to work, to like do something. So yesterday we set this up right here. We come in here and we have the ability to update our stats. And if I use my little update, so I now have 99 of everything, and I can update this. Okay, and this is all great. It updates, it maintains, and if I quit and actually just start up entirely a new one, all of this information stays. So yesterday we basically made the meta progression where we can convert our collection into points and use that. So today we need to make it so when we have collected the upgrades, well, we need to now actually have it do something, because right now we're increasing the amount of upgrades we've unlocked, but they don't do anything yet. So we gotta do that. And then we gotta set it up where I want to have the stats and collection screen on that menu as well. And I probably first I'm gonna add down here, I want to have it show how many of those progression items we have / dungeon items. So all our items will be in the stats. It'll be like stats / items or something. I don't know. That's kind of how I think we're gonna do it. So yeah, that's the plans for today. And we go from there. Sound good? I hope that sounds good. So, what we need to do to start implementing them is, well, we have a note of every single one we have. Let's start with, just go in order down here. HP. So, I am going to need, ooh. So here's my thought process. Right now, in this hub level, we have the health information in the bottom. We have the mini map, right? I don't want any of this to like exist in this level. None of this should happen here. So I don't need to worry about it updating live. I'll actually hide that information in this level later on. So we can make it so I make a record, or I have the amount of, make a note of how many things I have, and then make modifications based on that. I think that's going to be the easiest way. So we probably just want to do it on possessed. Basically, when we possess the character, how many do we have, and then give us the like appropriate numbers. So let's do that. We do it right here on the meta progression, and we can do it based off of what we have here. So if I was to turn off the collection items, because we don't care about the collection items, we don't care about the upgrades. And right now we care about the HP. So if we get character stats, what we can do, actually in character stats is where we'd want to do this. So you know what? Let's do it there. Let's make a new function. And this is meta health increase. Basically what we need to do is take our meta progression as an input. And take our HP upgrades, and now, right, we can modify our health. So we can modify max health and modify health. So each upgrade is going to add 10. So let's just do a little multiply here. Put this in here, and I can just do modify amount in here as well for the burn health. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is update all meta progress. I'm going to do this here. So basically, we're going to load this in one node. And character sets. Update all meta progress. Oh, and I need to expose that value. Actually, you know what we can do instead? I'm gonna need this here, but promote to a variable. And this way I can just use it inside of all of this instead of this. So we're going to need to do it for other places as well. So now, theoretically, do I need this? I'll keep it. Plug this in. Should have this work. Oh, also, on the health increase, I need to update HUD health immediately. So we actually could call this every time we update in real time. We'll be back if the ads happen without you. Apologize. You're fine. Don't you worry about it. Now let me click that ads button. No. So if I hit start, yeah, I already start at 110 health. Yeah, you guys can see that. Okay. Yeah, so we start at 110 health, which is great. So if I come here and I do another HP up, like 2 more HP ups, my health is still 110. But if I quit and come back, it becomes 130. Can we update it live? Let's see. So if we come to the graph, and the HP here is right here. Let's take all this. Let's just put this HP on top. That's where I'm used to it being. So effectively, from here, we need to then, so we have the player reference, get character stats, and then meta health increase. Ooh, this is gonna cause issues. Oops. Because this will stack each time. 130 HP up, 160. Yeah, that is incorrect. Okay, so we gotta do the character stats a little bit differently. We can't use this modify amount. What instead we need to do is make a separate one that specifically specifically for meta health, because right, otherwise it will keep stacking and stacking on itself. What we can do is set max health and set we can do set health and set max health. And let's see if I go to my modify health. Yeah, this is all fine. Oh, I'm already doing update HUD health in here. But I'm not doing it in max health. Oh, I see. Okay. It's fine. This is fine. But I guess, yeah, this is not needed because it's already been done here. I need to store this value. Let's do that. Meta health increase amount. And now, I mean, I could basically reduce and re-increase the health, but that would cause issues. So instead, I need to just set it's not set meta health. I think I just need to modify the actual set health and set max health values, and then I can use now. Let's just set meta current health and set meta max health. So what it's going to do is for max health, you're going to get I don't know why, like, this looks wrong. I don't mean like, I'm just looking at the word health and like, I'm looking at it, I'm like, it's spelled right, but I'm looking at it and I'm like, it feels wrong for some reason. I don't know why. I'm just like, it's one of those days, huh? Not current health. We want max health. When you get the current max health, and then we need to add. Well, we can just add this. We're saving it. And then we can set a new value. Then we can actually do is set max health to this new value. But again, this will run the issue of it being stacking on itself. I need basically so I need a modified value and a default value. Default max health. Let's do a max health modified and a current health modified. So yeah. So here I can set max health modified to be this. And set meta current health. You have current health. Setting the this, and I can just copy this over because whatever it is just increasing by that amount. Now, what we need to do is now swap over my health to be using this. Because this get health percentage now needs to, instead of getting current health, needs to get current health modified. Instead of max health, this needs to be max health modified. And what we can do is just find references. Reset health will reset this. And then I need to set the meta current health, max health. This update, okay, here so current health and max health, we can go current health modified and max health modified. That's what we're updating with. So resetting health, so just makes our current health or max health. And then it makes any modifications it needs, and then it updates it with that value. So that is now correct. Again, this is fine. Set health now, so it just sets the base health. Again, here, we're setting the, this is the modifying health. Yeah, we're modifying the health. This is modifying the health. this clamp no longer makes sense, being minimum 0. Because we're checking the current health. So we no longer want to be modifying the current health. This has become all of a sudden a lot more complex than I originally thought, because we're now swapping everything out. So we need to be using now everything for modified health. And then do we need then the original current health? Because we just use the current health might not be needed, so let's try this. Again, instead of current health, it's current health modified. And instead of max health, it's max health modified. So again, this reset health, I just make it easier myself. And instead of doing this, I'll keep it here for a moment. Set health, we'll just set the current health. There's gonna be problems with this, and that's fine. Let's just test this. Let's just test this. I'm at 100 health. So already this is incorrect. That is because here we're doing this, update all meta progress. And this meta health increase. Yeah, is no longer correct. So here we want to set meta current health and set max health and update HUD health. Okay, we're at 140, which is correct. I'm gonna reset all meta progress. So now we're at 100, and now if we come here, increase this. Great. Set it all the values to 99. Bring this up. I'm at 100. This didn't update it, but that's fine. We're at 110. Because now in the shop, right, it's not a meta health thing. Wait, it is. But I'm pretty sure it's not grabbing this value again. Yeah, it's not grabbing this value again. So, I mean, we could do this. $110 here, $120, $130. Okay, this is correct. 140. Okay, so now we're all correct. Let's just, I'm gonna go into here, and let's just double check that everything is still working. With me being hit and me hitting anything else. Because that's important. It's very important. Okay. I can indeed hit things. I need to... Okay, seems good. We're 5 health. Okay. That seemed to work well. And now the only other one that I'm concerned about is I think if I jump off or jump into in one of these. Yeah, so that no longer works. Like my death stuff.
Ads are here.
Nope.
Pausing for ads.
Ads time. Drink time. Today, you know, drinking some the good old Dayquil. You know, I'm having a slight headache today. A slight sore throat, so just some large thing of medication. I'm sure that's gonna help me. Most likely just from lack of sleep. That's my guess. That's okay, you know? Good old Dayquil will take care of that. Although I was thinking of maybe grabbing Tylenol. That's also they have a liquid version of that. Don't want those capsules. Just stick with the stuff you know, you know? Good stuff. So, just thinking, I'm gonna need to go here. I'm gonna pull this up while this is going. I wonder if it's related to the secret task. Who knows? Your guess is as good as mine. We will never know. I mean, we will. We will know. Okay. Ads are done, so I'm trying to find... where's our damage stuff? Oh, get health percentage. So that was still working. So we're getting the total damage. And here, we're modifying the health and checking if it's less or equal to 0, which is correct. Yep. Because now we updated this, so this is all updated correctly. Nah, cheery. You'll be fine. I believe in you. You'll be fine. What doesn't work anymore is the kill zone. Which sends a thing to die. Which here sets health to current health 0. Ah. So it sets current health to 0. I need a set modified health as well. Set modified health. mix in. This can all go under the health section. And here, here, set modified health. Here. Okay. I wonder if I could pipe in a damage dealer, technically, from the last damage dealer. It's fine. It's fine. So now, if we come in here, and I jump off. Yeah, there we go. All my values got updated. Perfect. Hey, look, the high score is actually properly, you know, showing a high score. This is I've actually fixed it. Look at that. Beautiful. So, right, this now works. We can go ahead and give myself some more meta progression. I can just keep increasing this. Now I have 160. Yep. Beautiful. So this health now works. Awesome. Next one. You know what? It's gonna take all of you. Head and walls. Let's turn off visibility on them. Yep. They're hidden in game, but like just make it hidden actually, so I just so I can actually see. Makes it easier. Yeah. That's done. Let's do damage. Damage is a little bit easier. Edit AC abilities. We want to do get combined damage. So all of this, yeah, it's doing the basic additional damage, the multiplicative damage, and we want the base damage. No, it's not even the damage. Hold on. Let's think. This actually. Better get display stats real quick. My damage is I'm getting from the combined damage, and this weapon info is where I'm getting it. So the original damage is this damage. Okay. See, where am I using? Oh, here's I'm using original damage. So what I can do is get but the damage dealer is root character type, not this. So for the display, I can do. For the display, I can modify it. It's not hard. But for like me being hit or me hitting. Problem is, right, only I have the meta progression stuff. I could move it to the root character and then all of them have it. Oh, it's Green Apple. Why is it in quotes? Are you quoting yourself? No, I'm not. I am indeed not. If I move it to the root, then enemies have access to the meta progression stuff, but I don't need meta progression on any of them, to be fair. So for getting the combined damage, right, I also do it here. So I could use a blueprint interface. But that doesn't seem great. Trying to think. What's the best way to tackle this? Because we have the parent class of the damage dealer. It's not necessarily the player. We don't have a specific player version of it. And we're storing all that information on the player. Are we? Get emote. Yeah, because we're not necessarily saving it all at that moment. Well, but when we upgrade and unupgrade, we should be saving it all to the game mode. The game mode should have that information. Let's see. But I don't have it saved there. I would like to get it from the character. So I guess I can do a interface. I can do an interface. Meta progress. Okay. Get damage upgrade count. With the output being an integer. Damage upgrades. And or do I just put this instead of here? I'll just put it into combat. Yeah, I'll put it under combat because everything that's gonna have combat is gonna need it. So get damage upgrade count. Upgrades. Int. Yeah, let's put this in a category. Meta progression. I do organize this as well, but we'll deal with it later. Haven't dealt with it yet. Okay, so, and on my character, I can go and meta progression, come here. Instead of 0, I can go ahead and break this. And we just want damage upgrades and just push that through. So for everyone else, it's going to be 0. For me, it's going to be this value. Yep. And so now, here, I can go ahead and get damage upgrade count. Then from here, go ahead and promote this. Modified original damage. I don't need to store it as a regular variable, so undo that. Store it as a local variable. Modified original damage. I'm going to take this original damage, and we're going to need to add this damage upgrade. What did I say was the upgrade amount that we're doing? Let's check. Damage up 2%. So oh, we're doing it at the end, aren't we? No, it's 2% base. Yeah, it's 2% on the base, not 2% global. And there's some things that modify it percentage-wise, and then right, yeah. To take our thing, so then we take this. The amount of damage upgrades times 2%, so you. You divide by 100 and then multiply by 2, but just divide by 50 for the 2%. So this multiplied by this is add to this. And my brain's not functioning right now. Is there a better way of doing the 2%? Out of curiosity. Wasn't this is this modulo? Because this is not like getting a percent. It's just, yeah, I think this is different. Oh God, the sun is coming out. Oh jeez, I can tell it's getting brighter. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's horrible. It's horrible. The sun. It's getting brighter and brighter. It was supposed to be raining all day. What happened? The rain went away and then all of a sudden, yeah, here's the sun. And this is just reflecting. It's just a reflection problem. Don't miss you to the sun. It's terrible. Terrible. Additional damage, original damage. There we go. That's all we needed. So theoretically now, that should work. We should also update dynamically. Okay, well, my damage is 250,000, but don't worry about that. Damage up. 255,000. Yeah, damage increases. And we can see it at a more reasonable number with this. 11. Why is my damage 11? Because it's 10 and then the modifiers. So 11. Oh, I need to go above 10% for it to, yeah, increase the damage further because it doesn't show decimal points. What I can do is reset everything. 10 damage from here. Increase damage up. Rush damage up. 10. 10. 11. Because it's plus 6 now. Yeah. Because it just rounds to the whatever's the nearest one. It's technically not right at these low values, but it's fine. So we have the damage now working. Fantastic. On to the next one. Which is crit chance and crit damage. We're going to need to do something similar. For crit chance, aren't we? Yeah, we're going to need to do an interface for the others as well, probably. It's going to be the easiest way of doing it. So, and then if needed to, I can pipe in or I can add meta progression to the other stuff. So, get crit chance upgrade count, and let's get crit damage upgrade count. Crit chance upgrades, damage upgrades. Looks good. So let's do combine critical chance amount. Yeah, so here we again stored it as a local variable. Modified original chance. Yeah, I could just do this. Yeah, I'll keep it as a local variable. It's fine. Okay. So, what are we modifying it by? I think it's just it's an additional. Creatures up plus 2%. Yeah. Get original crit chance, and just add this times 2. Simple as that. That should do it. Nice and simple. Slide better clean up. Okay. Looking good. So that should do it for crit chance. And now let's do crit damage. And we'll test both. Get crit damage, upgrade count. Variable, modified, original, crit damage. There we go. That is good. Okay, so I think it's plus 5%. You set it up? Yep, 5%. The same thing as before. Add. And this is just multiply by 5. Okay, and then from there, ooh, wait. Hold on. What is my original crit damage at? Is it a decimal point? Because this gives me plus 5 per. This might be not a percentage. Ah, yeah, so it's not a percentage. It's crit damage. Yeah, crit damage is 1.5, so it's a value. So we can just divide by 100. And then we'll be fine. So multiply by 5 and then divide by 100. To get it a non-percentage value, and then we can just have it all be the same. I could multiply it by, you know, a fraction, basically. This reads like this is more legible in terms of like what is actually going on versus having it one node. Yes, technically better, but more legible. Makes more sense. Okay. This is just going all the way across, isn't it? Yeah, so let's just take this modify original head damage. Let's put this in here. That becomes cleaner. And, you know, we could just do the same thing here. Much better. Okay. So, we should now have crit chance and crit damage modified. So if we check it out, crit chance 0, crit damage 150. If I do crit chance up plus 2, crit damage up plus 5. That should have worked. Or did I mess up with the math? Oh. No, I know where. It's not that I didn't do the math right. It's just I didn't plug things in.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
I didn't put stuff in these. Whoopsie! Just gotta plug those in after the ads, and then it'll be fine. Hopefully, right? Hopefully. Yeah. Okay. So then we have the damage reduction. We haven't implemented at all. So we're going to implement damage reduction, but this takes care of what health damage. And the crit chance crit damage. Yeah, so the only one after this is the damage reduction. Which is awesome. Which means we're almost done with this section. And then we can go to setting up all the UI for it. Figuring all that out. How we want it to look and all that good stuff. Okay. So, checking, make sure everything was good. So, let's go ahead and implement our crit damage. Crit chance. And just come here, just copy this, paste it in, and just swap this out for crit chance upgrades. And crit damage. And if I want to down the line, I guess with this setup, I could give mobs like bonus stats when they're like elites. Because now that it's an interface, we can have some fun. Just a thought. Just a thought. That this does open things up for like some more fun shenanigans. Ah, there's 2 and 155. Yay! Plus 2. This went up again. Oh, did I click damage? Yeah, that doesn't seem like it went up. I think I clicked on damage. Yeah, 4%, 160, yeah! Things, updates, yeah! Okay. Did health. Oh, interesting. This health isn't updating. The other ones are, but this health is not, and I think I know why. If we go to our character, here, for max health, yeah, I'm just typing in max health. And here I need to get modified. Max health modified. Type that in. There we go. So now if we come here, yeah, there we go. So now that matches. We're good. Yes. Okay. So now let's do the damage reduction. So we do need, yeah, we do need another interface. Get reduction upgrade count. I know in some places I'm calling it armor, some places I'm calling it damage reduction. It's going to function like damage reduction, so I might not have it be armor in the end. So I'll call it damage reduction. Okay, and again here, go ahead and implement this in. And we also need to add this to that list of damage reduction, potentially, to our stats line. Because here it seems to have armor. Bit of... Okay, so that's now implemented. And now what we can do is here. For the get combined damage. Let's go with the damage dealer. But no, we want to see on the target. Character reference. Get combined get damage reduction upgrade count. So effectively what we're going to do is take this total damage. And this is minus 1%. So so it'll be 100. All right, it's 100 minus however many upgrades. And then multiplied by this, but this will multiply, like, we need to be 0 to 1. So we then need to divide by 100 to make it a decimal point. Okay, now let's clean this up. Okay. So this should now reduce our damage. And was the total damage a global variable? Why is it a global variable? Yeah, it's a combined total. Let me just double check I'm not using total damage anywhere else, but I'm pretty sure I'm not. Are we using it here? If I can just push this through. Okay, that's why I did it that way. For now, it's fine. It's fine. We can keep it like that. So this will now work for damage reduction. So let's test it. So right now, if I check my damage reduction, I have 0. If I get myself a few upgrades, we have no way of checking it. But we can come here and get hit by something. Did I do the math wrong? Did I do math bad? Why are you attacking me? You're not even printing. What happened? Wait. What happened? Did I detach something? I totally detached something. Oh, what happened here? What happened here? Oh, I deleted the wrong variable. The wrong local variable I deleted. That's what I did. Oops. Get or combined what's it called? Modified. Okay. Original damage. That's what I was doing. What's going on? Which means it's also not plugged in. Here. Oopsie. Now, if we come here and get a hit. I guess I did need that print string. What's going on? Zero. So it's just printing 0. And just to confirm that it's because of my math and not something else. Yeah, that's fine. No, 0. What else did I not plug in? Original damage. Is it even pulling the damage? Yeah, so it got the damage. So I probably the deletion of that one. Oh, you know what it is? Get combined. It's the more damage one. Our total damage is here. Now that was a total damage one. Oh, it was plugged into both of these. It's the modified original damage, additional damage, divided by 100. Because this is the percent additional damage. Then add to the original, and then, okay. Remove one variable, and you can't undo it, and then things break. You know? That's just how it is. Okay, now I'm taking 10 damage. There we go. Now I'm taking 10 damage, which is correct. This is now going to work. But it's technically not correct. Because I should have damage reduction, right? Yeah, I should have some damage reduction upgrades. Did I not plug it in? I didn't plug it in, did I? No, I did. I did. I don't need to do anything here. I just loads it. Yeah, close that. So here, for the oh, this is wrong. This goes here, and this goes here. Was that the problem? Well, after this, just grab... Let me get my... break. Let's do a little print string of the amount of upgrades I have for now. We don't have a way of checking. You. Five. Okay, so I do have 5. It records that I have 5. But it's not reading them here. 0. Why? It's not getting it from the... It's a character reference is being set. Yeah, it's being set here. Can I do a little print string here? It's yellow. It should be probably set with my character. Yeah, it is. So it has the reference to it. and it's getting the it's pulling from the interface. This is the problem, isn't it? This is a divide. Hold on, just to make sure, because sometimes it really doesn't like doing math on nodes like this. But no, this was the problem here. Why? Damage reduction upgrades. String. Make this green so we can see that it is grabbing it. You guys want to hit me? What? You guys not hit me? What is going? Is it all of a sudden somehow not coming here again? Things are breaking! Why are things breaking? Okay, 10 and 10. So now it's working. Didn't do anything. Right. If I print this, it then says 0. Right. Yeah, 0. So let me just check this. Is it my character? Oh, what? It's the... Why is it from the Why is it... That's wrong. This is wrong. It is getting this character reference from the one that attacked, not the one that got hit. Hold on a second. What's going on? What's going on? This should execute on the one who got hit. Here, the hit actor is the one that has the target. Which either herself. Again, the hit actor is the one. How is the hit actor Give me the display name of whatever's being hit right now, please. This is an unexpectedly bigger problem, potentially, than I thought it was going to be. No, it says me. I got hit. Okay. I got hit, so that means inside of here... Damage calculations, damage dealer. And then we get the, oh, the target is the damage dealer. Oh, okay, this is wrong. Target is self. Not self, your own AC abilities. And then get combined damage of the and then get I think this is also AC abilities. I feel like I had it this way before and there was another problem that I ran into, but it's its own AC abilities which I should be using. That is correct. Yeah, because I do that here. Now things should work correctly. 6 damage because of damage reduction. And if I reset it and go and got hit, oh no, those printing sorry, those printing how much damage reduction I had. So yeah, I'm taking 10 damage. And now if I got myself damage reduction. Yep, I'm taking not the full 10 damage. I took 71. Yep, 9 damage there. Problem solved. How did this happen? How did this problem happen? When did this problem happen? I feel like it happened a long time ago. Somehow everything was working fine, I guess, even without it. Or I just didn't notice. Because most of this stuff is based off of... I guess everything I was doing here was based off the damage dealer where the target didn't matter. But now all of a sudden the target matters in these calculations, and that's why I'm noticing it. A miracle. No, just me being, you know, dumb in the past. As per usual, you know, mind you. Absolutely as per usual. But now we have all the meta progression stuff done. In terms of like the stat modifications. Right. So we come here. Go ahead and increase our health, our damage, crit chance, crit damage. And yep, there's our health, crit chance, crit damage. Yep. Everything has been nicely upgraded. That means I can go to here. Not here. Oh, it was this one. That's where I have my print string. Where do I have the print string again? Yeah. Okay. So next up is the actual UI for it. Right. I want to put it here. I want to put that information here. And I also want to add the damage reduction. So let's add the damage reduction stat. And then let's add the area below. Yeah. This. Oh.
Ads are here.
That's
Pausing
time.
for ads.
I took an hour and a half to do that. A bit longer than I wanted to, but we ran into some issues. I was hoping to get it done under an hour. That's okay. We fixed some problems and added in a method and figured it all out. That's the main thing. Progress is being made. As always, progress is being made. I hope you guys are having a lovely day. Yeah, today was I had actually another call with the interview place, but a more anxiety-inducing interview because it's like, am I gonna be able to work for this place even if they want me? And that's up in the air, and that worries the hell out of me. So, if I seem a little off, that's probably because of that. Kind of meh here, yeah. I mean, at least it's not bad. Could be worse. Could be worse. Okay. Ads are done, so let's go ahead and throw in some good old damage reduction. Excellent. Let's go to the graph. Display stats. Oh, I need to add damage reduction to the display stats. Damage reduction. I guess let's make it an int. The input's going to be an int to make it easier. Oh, I need to rename this. Damage reduction. Yeah. Yeah, it's going to convert it here, but that's fine. Okay. And now if we come into character, yeah, damage reduction is just going to be like a 1%. So this is actually, yeah. Yeah, my meta progression. Yeah, just plug this in. And then here we need to set this to be a percent. So now 4% damage reduction. All right. Things are working. Okay. That is looking great. So I don't know, it's looking great, to be fair. It's working great. So now let's go ahead and, right, we need to, so these two vertical boxes are in a scroll box. but I want to put them into a horizontal box. So wrap with horizontal box. And all of a sudden they're not. There we go. Centered. Okay, so now I can put so now we can do some other things. How do I want to do this? Get a different background image. Well, okay, let's design the thing. We might want to have it split. Oh, this is a horizontal box. I meant to do a yes, this needs to be in a horizontal box, and then it itself needs to be in a vertical box. Yeah, wrap with a vertical box. And now in the vertical box, I can throw in this. Image. Bottom. Fill. This. This. Fill. Aha! There we go. Probably need to tweak some things, but you know. Let's it's the exact same value. I want it to be a little bit different. So just give it like a tint. There you go. Okay, so if we come here, yeah, so now we have a separate section effectively for it. Okay, so in here, we're going to need to add in our meta progression stuff and our dungeon stuff. I'm probably going to want to split it up vertically yet again. But for now, let's just do the meta progression. Let's not worry about the dungeon progression. Probably. Let's worry on meta progression. So, I'm going to wrap this with an overlay. So that way I can go ahead and start adding in other things to it. So, I need a vertical box inside of it. Fill it up. And inside the vertical box, then we can add text field. Center the text. Let's give it a little bit of padding from the top. Font. Make it slightly bigger. It's 50. This is our I didn't know what meta progression was until I learned what it is. What is a I guess I could call this the collection? Or what would be a good name for all your meta progression items that isn't meta progression? Like, what's the colloquial name for that? I could call it collection, but on the right we have a collection of cards. So I guess I can just I can call it collection upgrades. Items and upgrades. Let's do items and upgrades. For now, I think that's fine. So below this, we're gonna need to have, right? I'm gonna do the 2-column thing again. I'm thinking. So if I copied you, paste it here. I want to copy you. Paste it here, right? So we have the same kind of setup. And now we just make a new version for this. And we could probably use the same base and modify it. The stat line. Yep. At the stat line, this is going to be our meta progression collection. Sure. Terrible name. Okay, so what are we gonna want? We're gonna want to show the amount of upgrades something has. We're also gonna want to show the amount of like the item we've collected. So I feel like there's gonna be 2 versions of this. So I'm gonna open up Paint. So I would like to have an icon, pick whatever it is, right? And that's gonna be just that sprite, and I can reuse the texture for that. And then I would like the number it is, like the however many we have. Now, how do I designate how many upgrades you have unlocked? Do we need to? I guess is the better question. Because the amount of upgrades you have unlocked doesn't matter. I guess it is good to see, because you at a glance you could be like, oh yeah, I have this many upgrades, so I should focus on something else because it's gonna be cheaper. So we can do icon number, and then I could do like an arrow number, like a division here, and all be in the same like section. I don't want to put text in here. I just want to do an icon, I think. So we have them, so we might as well use them. Plus it'll make more sense. Although I could put in the name. I think I'll go with icon. And then we'll just need to like up arrow icon. And then the number. Let's do that. It might be very narrow width-wise. It might look terrible, but let's try that. And then maybe if needed to, then I can add in more text with the name of it. Actually, it'll be good to for this. It'd be good to have the text. So an alternative is to have that like a wider one, and let's say it would say like damage reduction. Well, we already have. It says how much damage reduction already above. So yeah, it says how much we have already above. But if you don't know what the icons are, well, let's see. Let's see how it ends up being. So this name instead is going to be an image. I'm gonna just hide that for now. I want this to be square. I can't just force it to be square. I have to say... There's no way this is square. It's 32 by 32, but I'm looking at it and there's no way it's square. Hold on. It is square. Here it's square. Okay. I want these to be bigger. I want these to be bigger. What controls this? It's from here, right? It's desired. It's because this is a small... So if I made this 64... Yeah, that becomes bigger. Okay. Let's have it be 64. The other thing I want to do is, on this, I want some padding. Left, right, padding. Top, bottom padding. 10 padding everywhere. Just keep it off the edge. Okay. So from here, what we're gonna need to do is have the amount. So this is item quantity. Then I want to I have a spacer in here. Yeah, I don't think I need that spacer. Then let's add another image. But this one, right, we'll just have it be like narrow. So it'll be basically like a divider. Padding on the left and right. And we just make this black. And let's get this over here. Now, why is this one centered, but this one's not? What changed? It's because it's not a size box. There we go. Because we want to keep it in a size box that's always consistent size. And this is going to be instead of item quantity, this is upgrade quantity. And we need it's an up arrow. Let's make it an up arrow. Also, I don't know why, but my the chat that I'm using is starting to have blank lines and slowly moving the chat down. just show this. Just randomly, just like blank, blank. And I can see, like, because I have like the separate chats open. I see it's not because of messages. So I'm like, what's going on? Why is it just freaking out? Like, no one's saying anything. Just something. We need something. We need you lying. I don't know what's going on. I'm just gonna grab Ghost communicating. Yeah, it really is. The thing is, though, right? You sent that message and you think it'd be on top, but it's not. It's down here. So this is just like permanent blank space now. Like, why is it permanent blank space? Really odd. Really odd. Yeah, let's make a new image. So there's 1024, transparent background. Pipe that in. Rasterize, delete. Yep, 512. 512. Beautiful arrow. Actually, before I do this, I'm curious. Does Unreal have some arrows? Oh, it does. Oh, well, there you go. Even better. Even better. And then just tint it. Yeah, looks good. Yep. Okay. Slightly odd, but I think this is fine. Let's take a look at how this looks. I can center it, which is good. So we can center it in each thing and then just have the icon. So we're only gonna have currently 5 items. So maybe I make it bigger. Because we have 5. Just for testing, if I did 3 of these. Oh, let me do a padding on the bottom. Let's have 10. Okay. If we had more. So we could have up to 12 in this manner. We're only gonna have 5. I mean, I think it's fine. I could make it bigger still. But I mean, I feel like at that point I am like going into like mobile icon size territory effectively. Yeah, if I go full screen. Yeah, this is like plenty size. Also, the stat name is now here. Yep. Which also is good to know that it fits with the name. So maybe I do have the name. Also noted that being invisible or being hidden here does not make it hidden actually. So remove the spacer. I don't need it. you fit vertically. So, I mean, I can clear this. I can just not have anything in there. Okay. As a variable, all looks good. So, let's try it. HP shards. Also, I want a little bit of breathing. Let's try with the name. Why not? But I feel like it becomes way too big if I do like the crit chance shards is just way too many. So I guess what I can do is call them what I've called them myself, and probably use that. Which, if I go into my items, I have them as crimson shards, crystal shards, things of that nature. So you know what? Let's try that. Let's try that, and then I guess we need to change these to no longer be centered, just aligned left. Otherwise, it's just going to like offset things oddly. And then I need to modify, some things I can see already. So let's do HP, let's do damage, metal shards. I'll put crit chance, crit damage next to each other here. And that means I'll put durable shards here. Crit chance is crystal shards. And this is jagged shards. Now, it fits. I don't like this. So let's see if we can modify that. Can I make it so this is aligned to the right? I need all of this to be aligned to the right. So I need this, this, and this. Probably wrap it in the overlay. No. Wrap with horizontal box. Why did it decide to no longer abide by padding and all that I've set up? Why did it remove it? You, I want to align to it's fine. Am I padding on you? No. Why is there a gap here? I'm not sure. Yeah, I can't go right anymore. What I want to... Oh, it's right padding 10. No padding on the right. No padding on the left. What I want to do is align it right. That work? No. Fill. How do I get it to align? If I did this here, You are left justified. Left justified. What is going?
Ads are here.
Oh,
Pausing for
that's them.
ads.
I can put these also in a horizontal box. They should be together. And we can go from there. Okay. While ads are going, I'm gonna use the restroom real quick, and I'll be right back. We're back. I have returned. Ooh, spooky. Okay. So let's wrap this with a horizontal box. And if I have this lined left, how do I make it that I want this to justify right, but it doesn't justify right? This is the one thing that I still don't fully understand of why things don't work like that. Hello, holy crap, welcome in. How's it going? Oh, welcome back. I've been here. I've been here. This off light. Why are you pissed? Now, yeah, I saw some info about Wuthering Waves. It's basically like another gacha game, right? Like Genshin Impact and those kind of games. From what the little that I looked into it. Like you pull characters and all that stuff, right? Did I understand it correctly? This doesn't have anything. This is an image. I could make this no, this is not gonna do anything. I basically need this horizontal box to align left. And I want this one to align right. doesn't. Look, on the bright side, you made a totally ugly and ridiculous Niagara supernova explosion that causes people to vomit so bad. I mean, look, I don't know if that's bad necessarily. That is impressive, okay? That is impressive. So, you know, don't like... I think that's very impressive. What's the difference between desire and desire on screen? Doesn't change anything. It is a gacha game. Battle is much more refined and dynamic. Oh, that's nice. It's so bad that just your comment removed all your work. Oh. Wait, what? What do you mean? Just your comment removed all my words. Also, I don't know why, but the chat is now back to like not having a giant gap above, so yay. I think it got fixed after a Twitch message came in, I think, but I'm not sure. The Genshin Impact had a kid with Elden Ring. I mean, that's a pretty good combo. Very hard to play against some bosses and it's pissing you off. Holy crap, so holy, you scared the ghosts? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. That is very possible. How do I... If I open this one, what do I have here? I have this, which is just a spacer, but I have to like move it off the edge. This one's just filled, and this one's centered. Fill. Auto. And that gets me that gap. I don't understand how this part works. Can I just quick look it up? Align section to the right. Yeah, I don't know. It's so weird that... Yeah, align objects in the horizontal box to the right. Set it to fill in the upper right, and then you get to decide how much space percentage wise will consume 0 to 1 range. The space is shared by all widgets this container, providing alignment settings. Oh, hold on. Is that what that number means? So we did fill 1. I did fill... I did 0. What happens? No, it's still the same. And this is set to the right. Right aligned. It's the right aligned that just doesn't work. What I can do maybe is here, have this do this. Fill horizontally. Auto. Ah. You want to see the thing that made people vomit? You want to work with us in the same office and be so hilarious? I mean, I don't know how productive it would be, though. Maybe record it later when you clean up the mess. Good luck. Yeah, be a fun work chat. I don't know about I don't know how productive it would be, is the thing. Why does right align does not work? Horizontal box, right align. You're the extrovert super idiot. I mean, that's... I'd have it fill. It doesn't change anything. This doesn't change anything. None of this stuff changes things. Can I justify any of them to the right? I can't justify this to the right. Can't justify anything to the right. Why? Oh, darn it, I closed it. Grumble, 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 grumble. I don't understand. I'll be quite honest with you. I don't understand why I cannot have this just align right. Holy crap. Yeah. I guess you were not following. Neither do you, but that is expected. I mean, it's not expected. I think you're smarter than you give yourself credit for. Okay. Why did this... Why is this not taking up the right size when I do fill? Okay, okay. That changed. I did fill. Was the problem the image here? I did auto here. Can I wrap this with an overlay? Set this to fill. Align left. Then this is correct. But this size is wrong. How do we change the size on this fill? Nope. Nope. That did not do it. It looked different. It thought it was different. But nope. I just want to, in the area it's in, I just wanted to align left. I mean, a line to the right. Why is this such a pain in the butt? I don't understand. I mean, I could make this. Well, see, anything I'm gonna do is just gonna have the same problem. I can't specify anything in this horizontal box. If I don't, I mean, for shits and giggles, if I don't have the image. Yeah, there's nothing here is going to affect it. Solutions! Welcome back. Thank you for the 50 bits. Yeah, nothing affects it. You missed the entire stream? You think Pika got the better of you? That's okay. The point is, you know you're an idiot and you're proud of it? Yeah, as long as you're proud of it. What do you miss? Confusion on my part. Lots of confusion. Where'd your sub emote go? What? You had your sub emote, and icon, and then just went away in the second message. Yeah, right now we got all the meta progression stuff done, and I'm fighting this UI. Oh, now it's back. Oh yeah, I guess it was just disappeared on my end for a single message. Odd. I'm fighting this UI, but basically I just want this all to be right justified, but to keep this all left justified. And I don't know why. This is such a pain in the butt to do. Auto or size doesn't do anything. It's still not right justified. Right, we can even see it here. If I just fill screen, right? Actually, that's a good tester. This makes it right justified here, but it's not here. Why? Why is it not? Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. I should be good. Yeah, I can see the volume going. What happened there? I didn't press anything. I've been in Unreal the entire time. And I know when I'm muted, by the way. See this ring? You see how it's moving? Like it's reacting my voice? When I mute, it turns red. So it was moving, which means it was detecting me. But for some reason, it just like, no, I don't want to output any more stuff. So I just restarted the software that controls all this. Yeah, it's been a weirdly haunted stream, and yeah, I don't know what's going on. I thought maybe putting a spacer in here would help. Maybe it'll like push things to the right. Right? But that's not how that worked. How is this fill? Right? It's not the right size. Yeah, and that doesn't do it. That doesn't do it even. This is good. You weren't here this whole time? Yeah, probably. little ghosties. It's funny. You know what? Depending on where you see that emote, it's a different emote. That's actually kind of funny. That's actually hold on, let me show you. So this is YouTube chat, and this is like my combined chat. Same emote, different icon. Because I guess emojis are like dependent on where you see it. It's I guess iOS has different icons compared to Android, compared to Windows, I guess, and I guess depends on where you're looking at from. It's gonna use that. YouTube doesn't have fun emoji. Yeah, the fun emojis are pretty much the member emojis, as they're called, the subscriber emojis. That's pretty much the best you got, plus the BCTV. Yeah, if you want emoji, you go to Twitch. That's where the emojis are. I mean, I don't know. Oh my god. Shoot me now. Just shoot me now and just let this be over and it's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Oh, why did it need... Hold on. It needed that spacer? Why? Why do you need the spacer? Is this Phil? Whatever. He needs the spacer. I'll take it. And you know what? I want to align these guys. Did I get what happened? See how it doesn't go all the way to the right? Click this button. But do it on this menu. I forgot that I set horizontal alignment. Thank you for the 25 bits for the UI struggles. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. So if I want to do the same thing here, I can take a spacer, put in between. Have this be on fill. This on auto. Why did you center? Oh no. We need more things to do with our brain. Brain cells on Twitch. If you have ads.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
But if you have suggestions, yeah, let me know. Thank you for another 25-bit solutions for the ads. So now that we have this working, I just want to move this number right to like here, so the numbers are also all lined up. I probably could just reuse this section. Reuse this here. Same setup. Probably. We'll try that after the ads. Sorry for game dev streams because they don't want something to take away from a game dev. It's harder for your game dev streams. What is harder for making? I'm sorry. I blanked. I missed something. My brain is all sorts of frazzles right now. Oh, the brain cells. Yeah, for those that don't know, the currency to redeem channel point stuff on Twitch is brain cells. Basically, you get brain cells by watching me, and it's a bad idea to redeem anything, so you have to sacrifice brain cells. Is there anything we don't have the brain cells for that? Well, either way, figure out what to do. If you figure out something that you want to use channel points for, let me know. I can add all sorts of stuff. I can add all sorts of stuff because I'm using like with automation or manual or whatnot. Add musics? I don't know about that one.
Says I can say stuff on his Twitch by using brain cells. Hello, YouTube. How are you guys doing over there? You guys have any ideas?
Maybe. How much for the secret task reveal? How many channel points? There's none. A million channel points combined. We could do like one of those. The thing is, like, because I used to stream, like, back in the day, there are people that have watched me that have over 100k channel points. So setting it to like 100k is like, oh yeah, just one person come in and just redeem it. You guys probably don't have that many channel points, but there are people that do. Let's start the gap. Wait, no one's talking about gap. No. Phil? Wait. Why did it? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna go with it. Screw it. I'll tweak with it again more another time. Whatever. Good enough. For now, good enough. I'll just add just add a spacer in between. I don't even need a spacer. I just need to add a right padding. Yeah, like that. It's fine. We'll work with it. This. Is how you farm channel points? Gamba? Yeah, but you need to gamba on something, right? I give you like A or B, and you gamba on it. Sure, but you can't do it on the secret task reveal because that's not between you guys gambling. It's like the gamba could be like, will I reveal it? Yes or no. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense. You were a game dev stick and he lets you summon a Rubik's Cube and try to solve it? Is Kevin trying to solve it and didn't pay attention anymore, though? Yeah, that's... that's cool. Yeah, that's, like, very interactive, but then you're no longer watching, like, paying attention to the stream, right? Okay. Go designer. Not designer. Here. Graph. Reconstruct. Oh, do I not have the image? Icon. Set, brush. From texture. Icon, texture. Expose on spawn. So now I have it exposed. Yep. So we can just select it. Sit like that. Okay. Bam. There we go. Metal shards. Durable shards. Crystal. And jagged. Okay. So that looks good. What do you pick your drink for 1k points? I mean, 1k is like nothing. Right, you can get like 1k really quickly. You can use it to buy more blood splatter. I do want to introduce Twitch integration stuff. That's on my to-do list. So, you know, could have some fun with that. Did it make him drink absinthe for an entire week? Yeah, like 1k is like very little points. And it's you know, 100k to get a beta test? I mean, I could do that. I could do like a very big redeem. You can already like, so that way you can get access to it or get like the latest version or something without Patreon. That's possible. That's possible. This update display stats now needs a new input. Meta progression. So I can do a sequence. It's first gonna do this. which is the stats. And then I can do the meta progression here. You want Dave and Buster style redeems? Something like the PS5 they got? You could look at it but never own it since this costs like 2 million tickets. Make one that has you wave to the camera for like 5 million points. I mean... I mean, I can. But at that point, I could just add a redeem that just throws away channel points into the bucket or into the void. I'd rather have like useful channel points or like fun channel points. Yes, you can. I don't need the stat lines. I need... oh, are these still called stat lines? Oh, these are not variables. So this is HP. Damage. Reduction. Crit chance. And crit damage. That's why I couldn't see anything. Okay. It's fantastic. For every purchase you become more stupid. I mean, that's basic. That was why I decided to make it brain cells. Also, it was, I thought, on theme because it's procedural minds and it's like a brain thing. So I was like, what's like a brain thing that I can do for like currency? And so I made it brain cells. I thought it was fitting. I need to get an icon that, you know, that fits it still because I'm using the default one right now. But, you know, I think it's fine. I'm gonna need 2 variables, both ints, items, and upgrades. Yep. Set quantities. There we go. Plug it all in. Plug it all in. What about fun fact? Day mind hella procedural. I love when someone new comes to that chat and called you procedural mind. I mean, yeah, I mean, if you're like on YouTube, I don't like say like what I go by online. You're not gonna know. My favorite was when a guy called you Proc. Yeah, because you read that as prog. You don't even read that as like procedural. I don't remember seeing that. A lot of times when someone says, hey, blank, I don't really read what the blank is. Like, I'll look at it, make sure it's like, it's to me, but like, and then I just go with it. I don't even think about like what it actually is or means. So it's, yeah, I'm weird like that. When new people come in Twitch, they learn quickly. This is your domain. You're on the Twitch chat streets over here. Y'all pay taxes to you. Oh my god. So I have a fun little story. So people, let me just check that this is HP damage, perchance crit damage. Yeah. So somebody was like, hey, I've had a few people that like reached out to me and like, hey, I'm like thinking of like starting my own little game, and you know, like, would you be interested, you know, that kind of stuff. But one guy, I'm not gonna reveal who it is because I ignored him. Basically reached out. I'm like, hey, so I heard that you only get paid in Bitcoin, and I've been saving up a little because the only currency you accept are Bitcoins. And so I've been saving up a bit, and I've been thinking of starting this game, and basically he wanted to pay me in Bitcoin. Now, here's the I wonder if you guys can figure out why someone would think I only accept currency in Bitcoin. Fun fact, I have nothing to do with crypto at all. But I wonder if you guys can figure out why. He's a dodo. No. Guts, do you have an idea of why he thought I only take crypto? Where is it? I don't know where it is. Where's my little prop? Probably far away. Probably far away. Got it. I've lost it. So, you know, for a while, you were like, you know, you'll take one coin, and then you specified Bitcoin, and I read your messages. That's it. And I would show you like my my one coin that I had. I don't know what happened to it. And I'm like, yeah, this is the only coin you're gonna get. And somehow, me talking to you about that made that person think that somehow I'm into crypto and the only currency I take is crypto. I don't know how. I don't know how. I find it absolutely absurd. And it's somewhat hilarious. But, like, what? How do you get that? So that clearly means they don't watch me. They don't know anything about me. Because clearly that's just not right. But they're like, yeah, like they've been saying, I'm like, this is like, I don't know if this is a scam or not, or this is just not someone that just did not watch me at all, except like maybe for 5 seconds out of context, or what, but what's going on? Yeah, it's kind of funny. I need to update display stats. Find references. Forget where I do this. Wait. Oh, do I need to do it? Ah. display stats there needs to have an input. And I need to get display on here. I need to also meta progression. Oh, let's make it easier on myself. Okay. Many. So here I can go ahead and plug in progression. Plug that in. Just a random cheer wait, why rip? Wait, why rip? But yeah, those are the story. You don't know it's Mario? Oh, you just found a new emote basically. Fair enough. Fair enough. Here. Wait. This is the pause menu. Oh, I need to promote this to a variable. And expose this on spawn. And here, fresh nodes, and I can do this. Oh. That. Is there somewhere else I need to do this? It's on the escape menu. I think that might be it. Let's find out. Ah! Haha! Ta-da! Things are updating correctly. I mean, it doesn't look great. That's fine. To show us how many upgrades we have, it's also updating here. And showing how many, like, just of that item we have. And then how many upgrades we've unlocked. So, it is all working. Minus this just alignment thing that I would love to adjust. God darn it. Okay. So everything is working. Everything's saving. Let me also check. I want to check when we find a card, if it's updating there. So just real quick, let me go through this and just basically find a pickup with a card. I also need to modify the pickups to not go over 99. But that's, you know, small things. Is the skeleton new? No. Skeleton's been there as like one of the oldest ones. Oh, here's cards. Okay. Yeah, and this is all updating too. Sweet. That's what I want to check. Okay, so it's now updating in all the places. So the only thing You remember Mushroom Man, but you don't remember him? Yeah, he was always there. Yeah, the one with the little poleaxe. He was there like before I started doing 3D stuff. Like before I even did like a directional movement, he was always there. He's one of like the very OG ones. Like before I started streaming OG ones. Where I get the Mushroom Man? Itch.io. Yeah, I think I still have all the links. Yeah, I still have all the links. Yeah. Monster Creatures Fantasy on itch. Here's these 3 that I use. No, he's 2D. So here's the sprite. Right. And yeah, I just grabbed this. And I'm not using the skeleton guy just because I was already using a different skeleton. And at the time, I didn't want to implement a shield blocking thing. So I was like, nah. Yeah. If you just search Monster Creatures Fantasy on itch. On itch.io. There was something I wanted to do. This is all now working. It's all saving. Which is good. There was something I wanted to... Oh, I wanted to add the collection and stuff to this, not to you. Not to you. I want to add it to you. On the left and the right. So... Can I just copy you? That's not at all how I wanted it to work. Why? Oh, it's because the pivot is in the wrong place. Is that what it is? Yeah, this should be on the right. It is. Oh, oh, these values got to reset for some reason. 1920, 1080. And then the stats one is aligned left, and 19. Why is it 1921? There you go. Okay. So this is not going to do anything at the current moment, right? Because we obviously just still plug everything in, but yeah. So all the values are not working, but gotta have that working. And if I go to the graph, I can go, I can update display stats. Copy. Prop you in. And I also need to grab you store selected card, right? No, I don't need this. Let me open up, instead of this one, let me work off the pause menu. That'd be easier. Collection open. Yep. Copy. Copy. And what's this one? Ah, yep, need that as well. Looks good. And then I have like on key down. I don't think I need to do anything here. No. Oh, sorry, on this one. Oh, I need all the trigger stuff. Yes, I'm gonna need all this. Copy. Paste.
Ads are here.
Nope.
Pausing for ads.
Ads time. Ads time. Yeah, I need to add the functions and all that. Copy them over. Hopefully, it'll just work. These guys here. It's time. Thank you for the 25 bits. You're almost at 4,000 bits. Holy crap. That's insane. Thank you so much for all the support. That's crazy. Like I said, your street. Yep. It is definitely your street. No one's even close. Everyone else better move out the way. I'm going to copy these over. Hopefully it all works, and then we're good to go. But something tells me it's not going to be that simple. Yeah, I need to think of. I'm still thinking of like what other redeems I can do. Like, if I did sound effects, just hypothetically, what kind of sound effects would you want? Hypothetically. Not saying I will, but if I did. Okay, so this is now all working. Me saying dum dum? Now, okay, let me rephrase this. This is going to be like an automated sound effect, not like me pausing and saying sound effect. Everything dum dum related is prohibited in Twitch. I don't know about everything, but way too much. Escape. And make this button right. Oh no, it is his street. Yeah, the dum dum thing works if you have VTV. What did I call it? I just called it dum dum because originally I think I called it like name or something. I don't remember. This is not gonna work. Yeah, it's not gonna work because I'm not triggering this. I need to. Right, I'm doing updating display stats, but I need to on construction. I need to update display stats, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I need this. Okay. Create variable. Create variable. Display stats. Exposed. Benefit regression. Exposed. And now I can pipe this stuff in. Pretty sure from here. Did I not just make... Oh, what? That's not the one I meant to check. There we go. Here I can go ahead, get, display stats. I'm going to need access to them either way. So... let's put it here. Just thinking. Promote to this promote to a variable. Player ref. Plug that in. Then using this, I no longer have to cast for sure. Just thought maybe I will need to. Now I can do this. And from here I can update display stats. And in this is not very pretty, but that's okay. We'll adjust this. There we go. That's much better. Okay. Well, have a good night, Gaguts. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a good night. Hope you get some good night's sleep. You were supposed to leave your PC at midnight. It's 1 a.m. now. Oh, yeah. Well, you got some good night's sleep. Yeah, there we go. There's our whole info. And if I gave myself a card... yeah, there we go. And that works too. Yeah, So all our info is there. We have the items and upgrades. We can collect them. We can reset them. It's all working. Huzzah! Yeah, thank you. One thing we can still test to make sure that it works is this. Why did it spaz out the beginning? Yeah, and if you like click it multiple times, like if you like, so if I have this like open and then click the other one, it'll just reclose the right one and open the left one. So it's like fluid. Yeah, I have a controller support. That's what I was copying over just now. So depending on which one I do, open it up. And so if you have one open and I press the right one, it'll close the left one and open the right one and vice versa. And that's like that on all those menus. The one thing I don't know, I'm gonna need to add somehow controller support for this. I haven't thought about that yet, but I'm gonna need to. So yeah, we'll figure out how the hell to do that. Also, yeah, this takes up a different amount of space on screen depending on its resolution. That could be a problem. We'll see. We'll see. Probably fine. Probably fine. But yeah, we did all the meta progression stuff. So the meta progression stuff now done. Caveat done. I want to move on to next rebalancing and just changing up like the combats and the pacing and everything. And maybe change up some maps and how those work as well. Because there's some... I think I want to kill the multiple levels of rooms. Like the rooms that have multiple floors. Because they're just not great on... what's it called? They're not good for just clearing. Like you have to go through one and then you still need to go up and then maybe you have to come back down. I don't like that. I'd rather have... Like, there'll still be verticality. I'll still add stairs going up and down, but they'll be, like, attached to certain rooms. And then I can just attach them to any room. And, like, add that in. I think that's how we do it. Yep. I'll play around with it. We'll do some experimenting and see how, like, what the best version is. Get more people get to see because I have a feeling more people will use keyboard and mouse. I mean, for this game, honestly, I think it's probably better for controller support. I'm guessing because it's gonna be a little bit easier to like move around and stuff, but maybe not. Either way, I'm trying to get like both controls, right? So I'm not going to focus on the controller support just yet. I want to do the rebalancing, and we'll come back to adding controller support for this menu, because that's going to be a thing of itself. This is going to be like I have an idea. Like basically, you want to do like figure out support to like do like arrow keys. We'll select up and down. A will buy it, and simple as that. B already leaves. So. That's what I need to do, but I don't know how to do like a selection. Or I mean, I guess for that, it's like based on the array it is. Put them all in array. I have ideas. Okay, but that is gonna do it for tonight, guys. Thanks so much for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed it. Freaking meta done. Meta is done. Yeah, we're gonna do like fun balancing and stuff, I think, tomorrow. Oh, you're fine. Yeah, don't feel bad. You should not feel bad about missing. You don't have to be here all the time. It's okay to like not be here sometimes. I know it's crazy to say, but it's true. So again, thank you guys so much for joining me today. Back tomorrow at 6 p.m. Pacific for some more fun and games. Take care, guys. Bye bye.